Our Black Friday special Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar was such a great success. Close to My Heart has decided to use the remaining materials they have to make more, and so that while supplies last, there's only a few left, but they are still on sale if you would like to grab one. With this calendar kit, you also receive, when you purchase it, you'll receive SVG files that you can use to cover your frame, your background, your numbers, your letters, your shelves there. There's SVG files so that you can do paper or vinyl cuts, whatever you want. I chose to just use the wood and a shimmer brush, and I'll show you that in just a second. Here's what you get in your kit. This is how it comes. And at first I was like, what? I have to put it together? Yes, you do, but you get to put it together the way you want. Space your numbers and letters out however you want. But let me give you a couple of tips that I learned while putting together mine. So you get all of these pieces. All right, come on now. Well, I guess this comes off. So you have the frame. If you wanted to cover your base with paper, or if you wanted to paint it or stain it, you can. These helpful lines you'll want to be able to see. They're etched in there, so whatever you apply on top, you should be able to see it unless you're doing paper, but the paper cut from the SVG should have those as well. So once you have treated your background however you want, you are ready to put your frame on. The frame can be the same or different. I think it's nice to have that contrast if they're separate. Now, the next thing to do, so you'll have wood pieces that are different widths. So you can see these are thinner and these are wider. So what you're going to do is glue these two on top of each other, and then this one flush on the bottom with that, so that it makes like a little shelf. Can you see that, like a shelf on there, so that when you attach it to your wood piece and you have your star on there, it won't slide off the front. It makes a little shelf for them. But before you do that, I would recommend that you take this wide one, you lay it on that line there, and then you'll be able to put your numbers on. So it comes with chipboard numbers, which are laser cut black chipboard. And of course, in that SVG file, if you'd rather have numbers out of glitter paper or something different, green cardstock, you certainly can. But it does come with these chipboard numbers. So you would just pop them out, place them where you want. The adhesive you're going to want to use is liquid glass with the fine point tip, and you don't want it to ooze out because it's also used as an embellishment for shiny elements. But it is a super strong adhesive for the background. So if you do that first with your numbers, you'll be able to set them right where they go, and then lift it off. And then when you make your shelf and glue it down, your numbers are lined up perfectly. I'm telling you that because I did not do that at first, and it made it a little more difficult to get them straight, only because I'm not that good at eyeballing it. But if you are good at eyeballing, you're good to go. And again, you get your Christmas piece and your countdown and your star. So I'll show you, I used 3 shimmer brushes, toffee, black, and red. And I used the black on the countdown. So it actually stains it black and has just a hint of shimmer to it. Same with the red one. It stains that wood red and it has just a hint of shine and shimmer to it. And then the same with the toffee on the frame and other parts. So this is still available while supplies last. If you did not get yours during the Black Friday sale, it is available for you now. I'll put the link in the comments below.